Yep. So this is the thing. Permanganate ion reacts with bromide ion. So let's write permanganate. Permanganate is what? You guys know?
Yeah, MnO4 negative.
KMnO4 is potassium permanganate. So just permanganate will be MnO4 negative. So MnO4 negative with bromide ion as Br minus, both aqueous, forms MnO2 manganese dioxide with bromate BrO3 minus.
Okay.
Alright? Manganese
Okay.
dioxide. So this is our reaction. So first thing we have written the skeletal reaction, skeletal equation. So no more this word equation is required. Let's get rid of that. What next? Oxidation number. So what is going to be the oxidation number for Mn in MnO4 minus manganate?
Negative
Plus
one.
7.
Plus 7. Right?
Oh, for Mn.
Mn, yeah.
Oh,
For bromine it is negative 1.
negative.
And MnO2 it's going to be
Positive 4.
Plus 2.
positive. And
Oh, yeah, positive plus.
for bromide, what is it going to be? BrO3 minus. This is going to be
5.
minus 6 plus 5. Yes. Plus 1. Shall we verify the. So, what are the changes in the oxidation numbers?
For Mn it is 3, sir. It
Hmm?
is reduced. The change is 3 for Mn
Yeah,
manganese.
for Mn it is changes 3, and for bromide the changes
6.
-1 to +5. So, is 6. So, how are we going to balance this?
So we can cancel the 3 and 6 like 1 and 2.
3 and 6 by 1 and 2.
Yes, sir.
But how are you going to do that?
Because it is the 3 is multiple now, so we can do that. So it cancel to 1 and 2.
So, how should we do this thing?
Cross multiply, sir.
Cross multiply. So, manganese has reduced. This was possible by loss of how many? No, gain of how many electrons it has gained? How many
Last.
electrons manganese should have gained? 3 electrons, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So manganese plus 7 gained 3 electrons for to become Mn. So this is 3 minus 3. So it became plus 4. Okay, so this is what we will be seeing in the off reaction also. Off reaction.
Sir, isn't it that it lost 3 electrons?
No. Manganese is reduced. Oxidation number is reduced. So oxidation. So the reduction is what has happened here, isn't it? Reduction is nothing but gain of electron is reduction. So it has gained 3 electrons. Look at bromine. What has happened to bromine? In the process, bromine from -1, it has lost how many?
6 electron.
From it has lost 6 electrons to reach +5. So these 6 electrons lost can be gained by 2 MnO4. right?
Okay, sir.
Two, right? So what will happen in each one? Each manganese will be gaining three electrons. Thereby, 6 electrons in the process will be gained by both the manganese atom.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So if that is the case now, what will be? Let's look at the total charge involved here. So what is the total charge here? The plus 14 here,
Minus
minus 10, and here
13.
it is plus 8, plus 5, 13, and
13.
13.
It's balanced, sir.
It's balanced. So, but it does not talk about the hydrogen atom or oxygen atom or the basic medium. So, what should we do here? Try to balance it for
Add
the
water in the reactant side, sir.
add water in the reactant side.
Opposite of acidic medium. And OH minus in the product side.
Exactly. So we're gonna add water on the reactant side and add OH minus on the. This is nothing but H2O is H plus OH minus. So
Uh,
here,
2OH, sir.
why is it 2OH?
Because
For what?
H2O, no, sir. H2O.
Very good. So it is 2OH minus on the. So let's see if the oxygen atoms and the hydrogen atoms are balanced now overall. See, this will need practice, okay? This will need some practice. It's not that we are going to get it, we are not going to get it in the one shot. Let's rewrite this whole equation now. 2MnO4 minus plus Br minus plus H2O. Okay, so these are aqueous, liquid, 2MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus 2 OH minus. Let's check manganese is balanced. Oxygen is how many? Bromine is single bromine atom on
5
both the
oxygen, sir.
8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 oxygen atoms on the left. Here 4 plus 3 plus 2. 9 oxygen atoms on the right side as well. Two hydrogen on the left and the right side, both the sides. So this is completely balanced now with both the sides with respect to the charges, with respect to the number of atoms on the reactant as well as the product side. Is this clear so far? I'm sure
Yes.
there could be some amount of confusion prevailing around the addition of OH minus and H2O, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I think I have to go through this again once more.
Hmm?
I think I have to go over this again once more.
Yeah. So I'll tell you. So what is the fourth? So balancing the ionic charge by adding H plus or OH minus ions. So if we see the oxidation number method says in the step 4, balancing of the ionic charge either by adding H plus or OH minus ions. Now if we have to add, what we need to do? Acidic medium, we added H plus ions on the left side, on the reactant side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whereas in the basic medium, you add OH minus on the right side. Okay, so that is what we have done here. And let's see if the charge is not balancing or charge is balancing. So look at the charge here, overall charge. This was -8. Sorry, 2 times -1 is -2, -1, right? So here it was 0, and here BrO3 minus has a -1, isn't it? H2 before adding H2O, there was no H2O before that. In the previous reaction, if you see, there was no H2O, right? So -2, -1 is on the left. Here you have 0 and BrO3 minus the bromate one had how much? -1. So this was the total ionic charges. Right? So where should you add? What should we be adding so that shouldn't we add -2 on the right side as to balance this?
Yes, sir.
Right? So how will you get this -2? For that only we are adding 2 OH minus ions. Because OH minus is nothing but the base medium.
Yes, sir.
Getting it, guys?
Yes.
So we add it. So whichever side is not balanced, you're going to add it on that particular side, whether it is acid or the base. So when you add 2 OH minus, so the charges are made equal. Now, once the charges are made equal, you try to balance for the atoms. And that is when we added 2 H2O, just the H2O on the left side, so that all the things are now balanced completely. Did that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Jonathan Ogwick?
Yes, sir.
I hope it should have, right? So, Prasan, in case Prasan happens to listen to this video, I would urge him to look at the last minute or last 2 minutes of this video. So he understands why we are doing, even for you or rest of you also. Okay. I hope it should be clear
The
now.
video is uploaded in YouTube channel, sir.